Right, picking up where we've left off, the next part says that we need to find the sum, right? So we want to find the sum of the first 15 terms, and we've already mentioned that we see this as two separate number patterns or different series, rather. So one is consecutive twos, right? And the other one is that series that we had. Let's write that down first quickly. That was Tn was equal to I think it was 27 open bracket minus 1 over 3 to the power of n minus 1. And we said that term 8 corresponds to the 15th term, and that equal to minus 1 over 81. Okay, all of this we did in the previous video. Okay, so if they're asking for the 15 terms, that means in the one series, the one that's on top. Okay, so in our 27, what was next? Minus 9, positive 3, negative 1. Right? So there's that one. And the other one was just consecutive twos, right? 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Right. So this is going to be term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5, term 6, term 7, term 8. Okay, and if we continue this up until term 9, 10, well, this will be 11, this will be 13, and as we've said, 15, and we already found the value of the 15th one, which is going to be negative 1 over 81, and over here would be term 10, term 12, term 14. Okay, right. So they want to know the sum of all of this. We're not gonna go add all of these values. But what I do want us to see by writing all of this out is that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm gonna find the sum of 8 for my geometric series. And then near at the bottom, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 there. So I'm finding the sum of 7 terms. The sum of 7. Right? But I know all of those terms is 2. So if I say 7 of those 2's, it's just going to be 7 times 2. Okay, so let's find the sum of our geometric series. Right, and that formula will also be given to us, which we know is going to be a open bracket r to the power of n minus 1 close bracket, all of this divided by r minus 1. Okay, we've already figured out these values in our previous video. So a we know is our first term, which was going to be our 27. So let's put our 27 in over there. R, we know r was second term divided by first term. Okay, so just a reminder, that was our minus 9. Okay, let's make a note here for you to see. That was our minus 9 divided by our 27, and that gave us negative 1 over 3. So let's go substitute that in r's place. Negative 1 over 3. All of this to the power, now we said it corresponds to 8 terms, so this is going to have to be to the power of 8. And then we'll say minus 1. Close this bracket over here. Divide this by r is still negative 1 over 3. And we are subtracting 1. Okay, this is all going to be some calculator work. So let's go put this in the calculator for a quick second. Right, and the value that we get there, we're rounding off 20, comma 26. Okay, don't forget that this value now needs to be added to this value over here. So if we answer the question which asks for the sum of the 15 terms, we are going to say the 20, comma 26, and we are going to add our 14, and that will give us 34, comma 25. Go rounding off was wrong there, so we'll just fix that quickly. this should have been a 5. Okay, there we fixed that. So that is our answer.